Three, two, one.
Meaning of vertebrate is the class of vertebrate include animals that have a backbone or spinal column and is one of the most diverse group of animals on Earth. Reptiles are one of the five main classes vertebrate along with fish, amphibians, birds, and mammals. Reptiles have several unique characteristics that distinguish them from the other vertebrates. They are ectothermic or cold-blooded, meaning they rely on external source of heat to regulate their body temperature. They also have a dry, scaly skin and most lay their eggs on land. Reptiles are adapted to a wide range of environments, from arid desert to tropical rainforests. There are important predators and prey in their ecosystem, and many species have specialized their diet and hunting techniques. Unfortunately, many species of reptiles are threatened or endangered due to the habitat loss, hunting, and other human activities. Conservation efforts are important for protecting these animals and their habitats.
Example species. First of all, crocodilians. This group includes crocodiles, alligators, caimans, and gharials. Next, snakes. Snakes are legless reptiles that come in a variety of sizes and colors. Besides, lizards. Lizards are a diverse group of reptiles that includes geckos, iguanas, chameleons, and many others. Turtles. Turtles are reptiles with hard, protective shells that cover their body. Last but not least, tuatara. Tuatara are a unique group of reptiles found only in New Zealand and are the only surviving members of their order.
So in this part, we're going to talk about characteristics of reptiles. Basically, there is 11 common characteristics that we would see in this video. Firstly, reptiles are cold-blooded, which means their body temperature depends on the environment. Reptiles have scales and dry rough skin that protect them from water loss. Reptiles lay eggs that are covered by leathery and hard shell. Most of reptiles have 3 chambers heart, except for crocodiles species that have 4 chambers heart. They are breathing using lungs, and some of the reptile species are being able to absorb oxygen through their skin. Reptiles have claw or nails and sharp teeth. Reptiles have single bone in lower jaw that called mandible. Reptiles also have a good sense of smell and vision, except for their hearing sense. Reptiles also have a long, flexible backbone that help them to move easily on land. And lastly, reptiles have a high metabolic rate, which means they require a lot of energy to maintain their body temperature to perform their daily activities.
Reptiles are covered in scales or bony plates. Yeah, we know you can't relate. We lay eggs with a leathery shell. We have snakes, lizards, crocodiles, and turtles as well.
Different species within the class reptile. Reptiles are a class of cold-blooded, breathing vertebrates that are characterized by their scaly skin and typically lay amniotic eggs. The class Reptilia include diverse range of species, including 1. Snake. Snake are legless, elongated reptiles that can be found in a wide range of habitats, from deserts to rainforests. There are over 3,000 species of snakes, and they come in a variety of sizes, from teeny thread snakes to massive anacondas. 2. Lizards. Lizards are another diverse group of reptiles that can be found in many different habitats. From deserts to forests, they are characterized by their long tails, scaly skin, and 4 legs. There are over 6,000 species of lizards, including geckos, chameleons, and iguanas. 3. Turtle. Turtles are reptiles with a bony or cartilaginous shell that cover their body. They are well adapted to life in water, and many species are also found on land. There are over 300 species of turtles, including sea turtles, freshwater turtles, and tortoises. 4. Crocodilians. Crocodilians are a group of large aquatic reptiles that include crocodile, alligator, caiman, and gharials. They have a long, powerful tail, a tongue, scaly skin, and sharp teeth. Crocodilians are found in freshwater and saltwater habitats in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Each of these reptile group has its own unique characteristics and adaptation that allow them to thrive in a variety of habitats.
Now, in this slide, I will talk about different reptile characteristics from other vertebrate species. First, reptile has no parental care, unlike many birds and mammals. Reptiles typically do not provide parental care to their offspring after they hatch. Second, single occipital condyle. Reptiles have a single occipital condyle in their skull, which connect the skull to the spine. Other vertebrates such as birds and mammals have two occipital condyle. Third, reptile is a cold-blooded. Unlike birds and mammals, reptiles are cold-blooded or ectothermic, which means their body temperature is regulated by the environment around them. Fourth, amniotic eggs. Reptiles produce amniotic eggs with a hard protective shell that enable the embryo to grow outside the mother body. On the other hand, vertebrates include fish and amphibians lay their egg in the water. Next, three-chamber heart. Most reptiles have a three-chamber heart with two atria and one ventricle. This is different from mammals, which have a four-chamber heart. And lastly, scaly skin. Reptiles are known for their scaly skin that help prevent water loss, while mammals have soft, moist skin with hair and fur.
And lastly, this is the reference from our slide, and that's all from us. Thank you.